Welcome to the Raspberry Pi Pico and WokeWe Beginner Tutorial Series. In this series, we will learn the fundamentals of the Raspberry Pi Pico and then build practical interfacing examples step by step. What is Raspberry Pi Pico? The Raspberry Pi Pico is a compact microcontroller board based on the RP240 chip. Unlike a full Raspberry Pi computer, the Pico is designed to control electronics, such as LEDs, buttons, sensors, displays, and motors. Why WokeWe? WokeWe allows us to simulate our Pico projects directly in a web browser. This means we can test circuits and MicroPython code without needing physical hardware for every experiment. GPIO Overview. The Pico provides many GPIO pins that can be configured as digital inputs or outputs. These pins allow the microcontroller to communicate with external electronic components. First MicroPython program. Our first program imports the time module, prints a welcome message, and then continuously prints a status message once every second. The while true loop creates a continuous program loop. Run the simulation. Start the WokeWe simulation and open the serial console. You should see the Pico print its messages repeatedly. This confirms that our first MicroPython program is running correctly. Wrap up. In the next episode, we will connect an LED and learn how to control a GPIO pin as a digital output. This will be our first actual hardware interface.